Hello everyone, pour eggs into a pot of boiling oil. This is the most delicious way to eat eggs, passed down from our ancestors. Today, I'm going to share this divine egg recipe with you. First, prepare 6 authentic hen eggs. The number of eggs can be adjusted according to the number of people in your family. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Add a little salt. Then beat the eggs thoroughly and set them aside for later use. Prepare 10 grams of fresh ginger, smash it and chop it finely. After chopping, place it on a plate. Smash 3 cloves of garlic and chop them finely. Chop 3 stalks of green onion into small pieces, separating the white and green parts. Cut half a red pepper into thin strips. Then dice it. Add a little oil to the pan, then add a spoonful of white sugar. First, stir-fry the sugar until it melts. Finally, cook it until it turns a light yellow color. Then add 30 grams of aged vinegar. Add 30 grams of white vinegar and a little light soy sauce. Add an appropriate amount of water, then simmer over low heat for a while until fragrant and add a little soy sauce. Simmer until it reaches this thick consistency. Alright, pour it out and set aside. Heat an appropriate amount of oil in the pan. When the oil temperature reaches about 60% hot, pour the eggs into the oil. Fry the eggs until they set and float to the surface. Eggs fried this way will be very fragrant. Once one side is golden, flip them over. Keep frying over high heat the entire time and continue for about 30 seconds. Be sure to fry both sides of the eggs until they're this golden color, with a slightly hard crust on the outside. This way, the eggs will be especially crispy. Our eggs are done frying, remove them and drain the oil. Then, use a spoon to gently press the eggs, squeezing out any excess oil inside. Pour the prepared sweet and sour sauce back into the wok and bring it to a boil over high heat. Then add the scallions, ginger, garlic, and red pepper. Cook the aromatics until they release their fragrance. Next, add the fried eggs we just made. Let the eggs absorb the flavor of the sauce. After 10 seconds, flip them over so both sides can soak up the sauce. Alright, take them out and plate them, then sprinkle some chopped scallions on top. Sprinkle some white sesame seeds. A delicious sweet and sour egg dish is now complete. The outside of the egg is crispy, while the inside is tender. The sweet and sour flavor bursts in your mouth, instantly stimulating your taste buds. It's incredibly satisfying, whets your appetite, and cures cravings. Everyone who tries it will praise you as a master chef. If you like it, be sure to save it and give it a try. If you enjoy my videos, remember to like, comment, and share. Thank you for your support.